Most traders use this advanced tool to time the market intelligently, despite the fact that you've probably never seen an indicator that gives insanely accurate signals before. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to dial in your Pro V4 for your market and time frame so that you only get the cleanest, most accurate signals possible. Look, if you understand how the signals work and, more importantly, how to tweak the settings for your style, this Pro V4 indicator will become one of the most powerful tools on your trading toolkit. I'll walk you through how to optimize the indicator to get the sharpest, cleanest signals based on any market you're trading and what time frame you're on, whether you're scalping crypto or swing trading the stock market. So if you happen to find value along the way, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button to get notified when we upload a new video. Now let's dive right in. The Pro V4 is an all-in-one trading indicator from SMRT Algo designed to identify high-probability buy and sell signals, using price action momentum and market structure logic. It plots entries, gives you stop-loss and take-profit targets, and helps remove the guesswork from your trading. But the real power comes from how customizable it is, especially when it comes to the signal settings. Now, for your information, this is a very powerful premium indicator, so if you want to get access to this indicator, you will have to click this link in the description of this video, and it will take you to the SMRT Algo website, where you will purchase the right to use this indicator. Here on TradingView, you can see that almost 120 people are already using this indicator. Now, first off, looking at this chart, you can see that the candlestick price action is overlaid with color-coded bands and signals. These bands and signals are generated by the Pro V4 indicator. This indicator printed this blue zone, or what we call the buy zone. This is the dynamic support area, where the algorithm sees strong buy interest. When price enters this zone, it's considered a potential opportunity to go long. Again, we have the red zone, or the sell zone. This is the resistance area, typically where sell pressure increases. If price enters this zone, it suggests a potential short opportunity. These zones are calculated using real-time volatility and trend analysis, so they adapt as the market changes. Now, if you look at the right side of the screen, you will see this trade setup displayed here. This is the exact level where the indicator suggests entering a short trade. With the stop-loss placed just above recent highs, this helps manage your risk if the market moves against you. Also, the indicator lined up these multiple take-profit levels, the TP1, TP2, and the TP3. These levels are calculated using volatility projections and historical reaction zones. They give traders a step-by-step profit-taking strategy. You can choose to exit fully at TP1 for a quick scalp, or ride the trade to TP3 for a bigger swing. Throughout the chart, you'll notice icons like these red down arrows that denote sell signals and the blue up arrows, which are buy signals. These are real-time signal alerts generated based on price action, volatility, and trend shifts. Each signal comes with a potential multi-TP setup, which makes it easy for traders to plan trades without guessing. So this Pro V4 indicator by SMRT Algo gives you critical market insights at a glance, using this small table right here at the bottom right corner. Here we have the optimal sensitivity, and this controls how responsive the signals are. Higher means more reactive, and lower means more selective. Secondly, we have this strength. The strength measures the intensity of the current momentum. A lower value here shows weakening movement. The volume at 100% shows that volume is fully active, which is a great confirmation for signal reliability. For this volatility, a high volatility suggests bigger price swings, which is ideal for scalping and breakout trades. This trend helps to confirm the prevailing market trend, which is bearish at the moment. This aligns with the short setup we see on the screen, so how can you use the Pro V4 indicator in your trading? Firstly, you can use it in scalping by following the short-term signals and also using the TP1 for quick exits. Secondly, for day trading, so you can equally let the trade flow to TP2 with this dashboard guiding your risk. And finally, for swing trading, you can combine the trend direction with TP3 for extended targets. So whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, the indicator gives you clarity with structure. So the Pro V4 indicator by SMRT Algo is one of the cleanest and most advanced indicators you can get your hands on. With automated entry, TP levels, and live market analysis, it takes the guesswork out of trading. Now, the real power of this wonderful indicator comes from how customizable it is, especially when it comes to the signal settings. So when you go to the settings, you'll see a few key inputs. Here we have the AI classifier, which you can choose to set at advanced, basic, or normal. This signal sensitivity. The sensitivity controls how strict the signal rules are. A higher number makes it more selective, showing only the strongest setups. Think of it like a filter. Low sensitivity equals more signals, high sensitivity or cleaner signals. I'm going to set it at 6. Then this signal calibration, I will set it to 15. For candle coloring, you can decide to leave it to default to sync with the entire indicator or change it to none. Under this Enhanced Systems, you can choose to toggle any of them on to enhance signals that will be generated. I would like to change this dashboard location to the top right corner instead of the bottom right, and all the right changes have been made. Then you will click OK. Here on the chart, you can see that as the price came down to this blue zone, or the buy zone, the price pushed back up, but at this point, the Pro V4 indicator printed this sell signal here, which was followed by an automated entry level stop loss and 3 different take profits. You could have placed a short trade here with your stop loss at this automated stop loss level, and as a conservative trader, you will extend your profit target down to the second TP level, which is equivalent to a 2:1 risk to reward ratio. Now, if we play price forward, you can see that this indicator provides valid entry points and other automated price levels. Here's another example. On this chart, you can see that the price broke below this blue zone with this large red long wick, which was a result of this sell signal printed here. This indicates the surge in buying pressure, and then immediately after that, the Pro V4 printed this buy signal here with the entry point, the stop loss, and the different take profit levels lining up simultaneously. And because of all this, you could have placed a long trade at the entry here and set your stop loss at this price level and extended your profit target up to this level, which is equivalent to a 2:1 risk to reward. Now, if we play price forward, you can see that this indicator provides valid entry points and other automated price levels. Again, if you look at this dashboard, you can see that the optimal sensitivity is 3. The strength is 82.37%. The volume is 4.43%. The volatility is over 70%. And the trend here suggests the market is bullish, in the way confirming all your directional bias. The Pro V4 is an all-in-one trading indicator from SMRT Algo, designed to identify high-probability buy and sell signals using price action momentum and market structure logic. It is a very powerful premium indicator. So, if you want to get access to this indicator, you will have to click this link in the description of this video, and it will take you to the SMRT Algo website where you will purchase the right to use this indicator. Go ahead and join our Telegram channel and get access to high-quality expert-curated trade signals every single week. But that's just the beginning. For those who want even more, our VIP signal channel delivers the most premium signals with even higher accuracy and more frequent trade opportunities. Don't settle for average trades. Join a community that wins consistently. So, click on the link in the description below to join now and start capitalizing on the market like a pro. If you found value in this breakdown, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us to keep sharing these advanced trading insights on YouTube. Still have questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll personally help you out. And stay tuned. I've got another powerful concept coming up in the next video to take your trading even further. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep learning.